students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will learn English grammar. Do you know? English grammar is so important for we all. We learn how to make sentences. We learn how to use helping verbs correctly. And in this way, we are able to use correct English language. Let's start English grammar. Pronouns. Let's crack. Write the correct pronoun for the words given in the brackets. ब्रैकेट में आपको दिए हैं, उनके लिए आपको प्रोनाउन चूज करना है. Aman is a dancer. He has performed at many cultural festivals. Shweta loves reading. She wants to build her own library. Ira and Lina are playing in the park. They like going up the swing. All of us are going for a picnic. We will be going by a train. You already know that a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Noun के बदले हम जिसको यूज करते हैं वो होता है हमारा pronoun. Pronouns do not just take the place of nouns, but they also tell us that a thing belongs to somebody or something. Is this book yours? The pronoun yours shows that the book belongs to you. This dress is mine. The pronoun mine shows that the dress belongs to me. Kinds of pronoun. अब pronoun के कौन-कौन से प्रकार होते हैं, कितनी तरह के होते हैं? Personal pronoun, reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Personal pronouns, reflexive and emphatic pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Now personal pronouns. First person, second person, third person. First person refers to the speaker or speakers. I, me, we, us. I prefer to drink milkshake. Second person refer to the persons being spoken to, जिससे बात की जा रही है. You. You should work hard. Third person refer to the persons or things spoken of. He, she, it, they. They went to the mall for a film. Now reflexive pronouns. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, himself, herself refer to the subject of the verbs. किसको रेफर करते हैं ये? Verb का subject. Such nouns are called reflexive pronouns. Examples. I hurt myself. We will see to it ourselves. The prisoner hanged himself. They have got themselves into a mess. Emphatic pronouns. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, himself, herself are used with a noun or pronoun for the sake of emphasis. Emphasis करने के लिए इसमें जो है हम शो करते हैं कि किसने किया है, क्या किया है. Ourselves मैंने किया है या हमने किया है या myself मैंने किया है. Self का हम इसमें ऐड करते हैं. Such pronouns are called emphatic pronoun क्योंकि we lay emphasis on it. Examples. I myself will do this work. She herself agreed to the proposal. He himself went there. They themselves did the work. Possessive pronouns. A pronoun that shows possession or relationship is called a possessive pronoun. Examples. That house belonged to you. वो घर किसी से belong कर रहा है, तुमसे belong कर रहा है, तो that house belongs to you. That house is yours. The book belongs to him. The book is his. This pen belongs to me. This pen is mine. The words yours, his, hers, mine, ours, theirs do not qualify nouns. They show possession and are called possessive pronouns. ये क्या दिखाते हैं? Possession, कि कौन सी चीज किसकी है, किससे बिलोंग कर रही है, तो इसलिए ये possessive pronouns है. Demonstrative pronouns. Words that stand for a noun and point to it are called demonstrative pronoun. जो demonstrate करते हैं, point out करते हैं. This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. This and these refer to things near at hand. That and those refer to things lying at a distance. अगर this और these है तो nearness के लिए, and that and those है तो दूर के लिए. Examples: this is my mobile, that is your mobile. These are raw bananas. Those are ripe bananas. Interrogative pronouns. Words used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. What, whom, whose, who, which are interrogative pronouns. Examples: what is the matter? Whose pen? Which ice cream do you like? Whom did you give the keys to? Who is that child? Remember, who, whose, whom is used for asking questions about person. ये person से अगर question put up किया जा रहा है तो आप use करेंगे. What is used for asking questions about things? Which is used for asking questions about a particular person or thing. अगर particular person or thing के बारे में है तो which. Now practice and polish. Complete these sentences with personal pronouns. I met an old woman. She was hungry. She wanted something to eat. I gave her some food. She blessed me and went home. Arnav is my friend. He reads in my class. I love him very much. He loves me too. Riya and Diya are my sisters. I love them very much. They read in Central School. Their teacher loves them too much. Tom and I are players. We play football. We keep our clothes clean. Our games teacher likes us very much. The dog is a faithful animal. It looks after our house. I give him food to eat. Its young ones are called puppies. Two friends were passing through a forest. All of a sudden they saw a ferocious bear which was coming towards them. My grandmother is old. She tells us interesting stories. Phillips is my friend. He lives in a big house. He likes it very much. Now fill in the blanks with reflexive and emphatic pronouns. I shall do it myself. I do not need your help. The Prime Minister himself visited the site of the accident. We enjoyed ourselves thoroughly at the New Year party. You can do it yourself without my help. They themselves are responsible for their fate. The cat hurt itself by falling on the ground. Anita dressed herself beautifully for the show. We often deceive ourselves. Underline the emphatic pronouns and circle the reflexive pronouns in the given sentences. आपको emphatic pronoun को underline करना है और reflexive को circle करना है. तो नीचे जितने भी sentences हैं आपको इनमें जो emphatic है उसको underline करेंगे, reflexive को circle करेंगे. Now complete this conversation using pronouns. Teacher, whose book is this? Sid, ma'am, it is his. Teacher, are you sure this book is his? Yes, ma'am. This book is his and that book is hers. Right? तो इसी तरह से आपको जो बाकी के sentences हैं वो complete करने हैं. Now fill in the blanks with demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns से आपको complete करना है. Her face is more charming than that of Sharmila. Dash her Nina's bangle. These are Nina's bangles. I recognize them. Those servants speak English fluently. This is a bird. That is a cow. This boy doesn't know a word of French. My views are the same as those of my brothers. These are the comic books I enjoy reading the most. Choose the correct interrogative pronouns from the brackets. अब ब्रैकेट से आपको इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस को चूज करना है और फिर सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. जैसे फर्स्ट है डैश मोबाइल हैव यू गॉट इन योर हैंड, तो आपका क्या आएगा, हुज मोबाइल हैव यू गॉट इन योर हैंड. तो ऐसे ही आप चूज करके इसे कंप्लीट करेंगे. नाउ फन कॉर्नर. से अलाउड द पोम ऑन प्रोनाउंस. जो प्रोनाउन के ऊपर ये पोम है इसको आपको जोर से कहना है. तो इस पोम को आप रीड करेंगे जोर से, इन प्रोनाउंस को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. नाउ आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू यूज इंग्लिश ग्रामर करेक्टली. नाउ व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डू? You have to practice all the time.